Hey guys, Mine's Fishing WA here, and today I'm fishing for Redfin Perch at one of my private dams, or one of my mate's private dams. Hopefully we can get something today. I'll be mostly doing bottom fishing and mostly doing top water as well. Yep. Oh, yep. Go on. Come on. Okay, it's only a little one. Okay, here's a redfin on that spinnerbait. He's only just hooked. He swiped at it, so he was actually trying to bite it at first, but missed. So what I've got to do is now I've got to get that out. Okay, there's a redfin. It's only about 25 centimeters. Chuck him back in. Yep. How do I even get that then? Nice, all ready. Okay, nice, another redfin perch. Nice healthy fish. Okay, this might trigger off that big one I'm looking for. I'm just gonna cast it in there. Yeah, that's perfect. That's what you want. That's what it's meant to look like. Yes! On the cicada. Look at that. First topwater redfin. See mate, you nearly hooked yourself in the eye. Nice little redfin on the little cicada. That's what it looks like. He's there. Just look at the size difference. A redfin's willing to eat that. Amazing. Basically, I'm trying to work it all the way down to the bottom, and Yep, there's a bigger one right behind it. Okay, it's a nice healthy fish, very fat. Must be a female because of how fat it is. I reckon it is, and that one that went past, diving past, would have been a male. So I'll just take these hooks off. Oh, got to put the bow down. Okay. Yep. Oh, I saw him where he went off. No. Damn it. I thought it was snagged then, that's how. Yep, got him again. Not a bad fish, not a bad fish. Ooh. This guy wanted it. Nice little fish. See there. So I can't see what he's been eating, but nice healthy fish. Not too skinny, not too fat. Go back in. Oh. Yep, another one. Oh, it's a good one. It's a good one. Oh, there's a lot of weight in this. A lot of weight. He's taking me straight to the snags. Yep, it's a good one. He's only swiped at it, so he's only just hooked. Only just hooked. Yeah, he's pretty nice. He's very long and skinny though. He's only just hooked. So as you can see there, he's only just hooked. Just take. Yep, that's all he needed. So yeah, nice little one. Not too fat, not too skinny. See you, buddy. Check you out, Dave.